Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to connect on WhatsApp app. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do is open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the Wi-Fi and disable it. Now you have to wait a few seconds and then enable it again. After that, go back to the settings, open the apps manager on your phone, and then you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After that, go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp like this. Click on this force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then click on the data usage and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe.